Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic indeterminate form. Question is given: find the values of a, b and c so that limit is given x tends to 0, a into e to the power of x minus of b cos x plus of c into e to the power of minus x upon x into sin x is equal to 2. With the help of indeterminate form, we have to find the value of a, b and c. Let's solve the problem. Given limit x tends to 0, a into e to the power of x minus of b cos x plus of c into e to the power of minus x upon x into sin x is equal to 2. When we have to put x tends to 0 here we get a minus of b, and here plus of c, and here in place of we get here 0. So we have to modify in the denominator. Here we have to multiply with, in the denominator multiplying with x and divide with x, then given limit becomes limit x tends to 0, a into e to the power of x minus of b cos x plus of c into e to the power of minus x. Here in the denominator we have to multiply with x first, we get here x square, and here dividing with x we get here, and we know that limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is 1. When we have to put the limit x tends to 0, we get the value of sin x upon x is 0, sin x upon x is 1, and further from here we have to put the value of x tends to 0, we get here. When we have to put in here, in place of x is equal to 0, we get here a, and minus of here, in place of we have to put in x is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, so we have to get here minus of b, and here in place of c e to the power of minus x we have to put in 0, we get here plus of c, and in the denominator these parts becomes the value is 1, and in place of x square we have to put in 0, and cross multiplication with 2 we get here 0. Let this equation 1, and further we can also here, when we have to put x tends to 0, sin x upon x is 1, so the given limit becomes x tends to 0, a e to the power of x minus of b cos x plus of c into e to the power of x upon x square is equal to 2. And here we have to, this is the form of 0 by 0 form. Once again, 0 by 0 not here. We have to differentiating with respect to x, we get here limit x tends to 0, e to the power of x differentiating with respect to x, this gives a into e to the power of x, minus of here cos x differentiating with respect to x, this gives cos x is minus of sin x, so becomes plus of b into sin x, and here e to the power of minus x differentiating with respect to x, this gives e to the power of minus of e to the power of minus x, so becomes c e to the power of minus x upon x square differentiating with respect to x, this gives 2x is equal to, here is 2. And further we can also putting x is equal to 0 here. Once again, satisfy limit x tends to 0, then we have to get here, this is a plus a minus of c is equal to 0. When we have to put e power x is 0, 1, sin 0 is 0, and e to the power of minus x we get here minus 1, so we have to get a minus of c. In the denominator we have to put 0, and cross multiplication with 2 we get here a minus of c is equal to 0. Let this equation second. And again we have to differentiating this function with respect to x. We get the value of limit x tends to 0. Again e to the power of x differentiating with respect to x. This gives e to the power of x plus of here v sin x. Sin x differentiating with respect to x. This gives cos x. And here e to the power of minus x differentiating with respect to x. This gives minus of e to the power of minus x. So becomes plus of c into e to the power of minus of x. And the denominator 2x differentiating with respect to x. We get here 2 and is equal to 2. And further from here we can also write here limit x tends to 0 a into e to the power of x plus of b cos x plus of c into e to the power of x, and 2 cross multiplication with 2 we get here 2 2s are 4 here, and we have to satisfy the limit. We get here a, we have to put e to the power 0 1, and here cos 0 is 1, and here e to the power of minus x is also 0. We becomes 1 plus of c is equal to 4. Let this equation third. And solving equation first, second and third, we get the value of a, b and c. So from here we have to put in the value of once again a minus of c. First we have to solving taking first and third. First equation is a minus b plus of c is equal to 0, and our third equation is a plus of b plus of c is equal to 4. And from here b to b is cancelled out, minus of a plus of b, and here plus of a plus of 2a plus of 2c is equal to 4. And from here 2 is taking common, we get here a plus c is equal to 4, and a plus of c is equal to 2. And in the equation second we have to a minus of c is equal to 0. From equation once again from equation second, a is equal to c, so we have to putting in here a is equal to c. We get here 2c is equal to 2, and 2 to 2 is cancelled out, we get here c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. When we have to put in here a plus of the value of c is 1, so we have to put in 1 is equal to 2, and here a is equal to also 1. And further we have to find the value of b, so we have to putting a and c, the value of a and c in equation third. If we have to put equation 1, we have to putting in equation third. The value of a is 1, and we have to calculate the value of b, and the value of c is also 1 is equal to 4. And from here 1 plus 1 is 2, and b is equal to 4 minus of 2. Here we get b is equal to 2. This is the required solution of the given problem. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 1. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.